So today in this class, we have discussed about the data type in the VBA programming. In the data type, we have discussed the object data type, object and array. Okay. So last time we have discussed our data type, how can declare the data, just like dim r as a integer. Okay. But remember, if you define the data type, you can store only for one type of the data, but you have the need to multiple data types. Just like I have set up the one example, it's like name and subject 1 to subject 5. Okay, and so I want to declare the result which subject have a greater than 40, so have a pass here. Okay, result pass, otherwise fail in the G column. So first need to declare the 5 subject. So we have declared here dim subject 1 as a long, dim subject 2 as a long, dim subject 3, yeah, as a long, okay, and dim subject 4 as a long. And after that, we have need to load all type of all data on the my subject. Just like subject 1 equal to subject 5 need also need. So dim subject 5 as a, so need here S1 equal to sales row number 2 column number 2 dot var. Okay, and need to copy 2, 3, 4, 5, and subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, and subject 5, right? And 2, 3, this is a column. So row number 2 and column number 2, row number 2, column number 3. So you have now I have also discussed the range type. So we have give the range A1, B1, C1. Okay, and we have also give the sales R1, C1. Okay, we give the sales here. Okay, so third column, fourth column, fifth column, and sixth column. So we have load the all value, and after that, yeah, first number row and second number column. When you type sales bracket open, the row index and column index also showing here. Now we have give the conditions. If S1 is greater than equal to 40 and S2 is greater than equal to 40 and S3 is greater than equal to 40 and give the and here, and S4 is greater than equal to 40 and S5 is greater than equal to 40. 40. Then we give the result. So sales is row number 2 and 6 number column dot value equal to pass. Okay, and also give the else fail. Okay, so understand the code. Any problem with code? You have run. and you give we check here. Sorry, 7. Need to have 7. Yeah. Two quotient, 2 number row and 7 number column. You count here 6 and 7. So when this run, here the fail is coming here because one subject one have a 90. If you change the 91, you can select here the pass. Okay. So we have also used the loop for the all. So we have give the loop here 4, and you have remember your variable declaration, your variable declaration always outside of the loop. You can't include in the loop. Okay, because variable defined only for one time, not a multiple time. 1 2 no, 2 2. 2 number row, 2 number row to 9 number row. So 2 to 9. Okay, and we have put here next I. Okay, where is the true? We give the I dynamically we have range 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Okay, understand? When you run, all our subject will be so the pass and fail. Okay, so some we have changed some. Now we run some pass, some fail. Okay, any problem this code? You are reading the information. So now I want to repeat my code. I write the code. I write here 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. This is the dynamically only for the one row. Only for the one row. I want same to the all of the row. So that time we have give the loop and repeat the all code 2 to 9 times. Okay. And I is the counter. Count how many times we run. So give the I. We need to 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence. Okay. So now we have discussed, we will understand the code. Now here is the problem. So if now we have the 5 column, so we have declared the 5 row. Suppose you have the 10, 20, 50 like rows, columns. How can define the how many times the range long everything? So we have used here the array. Okay. So we write here dim and 1 to 5. 1 to 5 in the bracket as a long. Okay, as a and now uh, dim s. Okay, so dim s 1 to 5 as a long. Clear? And this is not a s in the bracket. S1, S2, okay, S3, S4, S5 like that. In the sequentially, just like row, seat one, cell one, cell two, seat three, A1, A2, A, B2, B3, like okay. So here is the with array. With array, we have create with array. You have defined the only for one data types, and you have used the multiple types. But one thing also, we can also simplify this code via loop because there is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. in the bracket. So we have right here code, again one loop. So 4j equal to 1 to 5. Okay. Loop in the 5 times. Next j, and we are right here sales, not sales, s 1, not a 1, j is equal to sales I row and j plus 1 column, because your column number start from the 2 and 4 start from the 1. So we have placed the 1. Well, okay. So now we have not need to this code. Okay. And there is the S1, S2, just like give the bracket here. S1, S2 in the bracket. Only for one gen. Okay. Okay, sir. So now when you run this macro, you can see all result will be declared. So you can simplify your macro with array. When you have need to create multiple data types, so that time we have used the array. So this is a single dimension array. Single dimension array. For a single dimension, because we have give the only for one row. So in the back side of the your PC, backside in the program, create the one table, one column. That name is the S, and declare the 5 cells: S1, S2, S3, S4, and S5. And S1 value declare here, S2 value store here, like that. This is a single dimension, only for one column dimension. But sometime we have need to store my all sheet data. Okay, all sheet data. So that time we have used the multiple dimension array. What multiple dimension array? Just like I want to store all data in the my cell. That time, how many row? How many row? So 6 row, 6 column and 5 row, 9 row, 6 column and 9 row. Okay, so we have subject bracket open close. So dim s, we have give the 1 to 9 row, comma 1 to 6 column. Okay, and we can also keep as a not define any data cast, by default define as a variant, because in the my table having multiple type of the data, it's like string, numbers. Okay, or array only for store the one type of the data. So we have keep here blank. It means, yeah, you can also give the variant. Variant, it means store the different type of the data on the S. Now I want to store the S. So first row and first column. Okay, it means this data. Okay, so cells, one row and one column dot value. Okay, you can also MSG box. You can see here S1 comma 1. Now in the message box, show as a name. Name here. So this called the multiple dimension array. This array make the one spreadsheet table in the backside. Name is the S. This is the 1, 2, 3 to 6 column, and 1, 2, 3 to 9 row. Okay, like this, like that, and store the data like the table. So we can use this type of the array when you have need to load anything, all table as it is on the user forms and other services. Okay, so this is the array data type. Do you understand array? What is the array? Okay, now we discuss the object data type. Okay, so we have made the form and all form. We have made the two files. Okay, first the form we have saved this in my D drive. Name FR data. Okay, FR. The first file name is the FR, and also we have create the new data file. Name the sheet as a data. Name data. Okay, and right here here SID, uh, date, date, time, name, city, and amount. Okay, and save this file in D also. Name is the D data. Data. Okay, and type is the X or data F. That called data F. Okay, so now I have made the form here. The name, city, and amount. Okay, name, city, amount. Right? I want to create a form. When click this buttons, my data is stored in the my another file, data F, in the data sheet. Okay, so we have create the form, one project another here. The subject uh, send bracket open close. First, we have defined the worksheet with data types, object data types. Dim uh, data file df data file as a workbooks. Okay, and ds data sheet as a also worksheet. Okay, worksheet, and also fr form file. Okay, fr as a workbook, and dim fs as a form sheet as a worksheet. Right now we have this is my active sheet. Fr sheet is active. So set set fr equal to work books, and name is the fr dot xlsm dot. Okay, so we have declared my fr of workbook object as a fr worksheet. So where you have need this workbook fr, we just set the fr. Okay, and same is set fs equal to fr dot sheets, and name is the form. Okay, so where is called only for this form, just click here fs. Just call the fs. Same, we have set, we have need to open, so work books dot open, and in the D drive, name is the data app, right? Dot xlsx, and set df equal to work books, name is the data f dot xlsx, and also set ds equal to df dot sheets, df file dot sheets, name is the data. Okay. uh, Understand? Now we have need to create the id. So we have declared there one data type. So dim id as a long. Okay. So we are right here, id is equal to ds. Okay, data sheet ds. So ds dot range, not a ds. We apply here application dot worksheet function dot max. Max in the bracket, we have right here ds data sheet dot range column a by a. Okay. If you not define ds, then you write here write this code workbook here, and again give the workbook sheets sheets then dot range. This is the long code you see here. Okay, but we have defined the worksheet, the data file. In the data file we define the sheets, so we have right here just ds. Understand? Now the worksheet function, I have also discussed with you, but I think you forget. When you want to apply the excel formula in the vba, some formula support that directly, just like lane left, that formula support directly. When you apply a formula, see here there is expression, but some formula not support the directly. That time is like max. I want to apply the max formula. I want to maximum number of the column a in the data sheet. So that time we apply the application dot worksheet function dot max. Okay. Yeah, yeah, right. Now I want to go to the last row, right? So we have defined here dim R as a range, R as a range. So we have set here is set R equal to in ds dot range A65,000 dot and axis up dot offset 1 comma 0. So now we have right here r dot value equal to so we write value equal to id plus 1. Okay. Now we have defined here dim M, comma, and for name, comma, city, comma, at the very end. Okay. Now, n equal to, uh, now here. So, n equal to uh, a form. Fs and Fs dot range is uh, v2. Okay. v2 dot value with the n. ct equal to fs dot range, no, b2, no, b5 b5 dot value on the amount is equal to fs dot range, and we are right here b8 b dot. Okay. So now we are right here r dot offset and same row next column dot value is equal to date. Then r dot, and now we have just give the right here same value r dot, give the 2 and the date time, and r dot here 3 and give the name, it means n, and r dot right here 4 give the city, and r right here 5 and right here amount. Now we have fs dot range dot v2 add value equal to blank. Okay. Clean the, yeah, other clean the not a blank, give the clear contents. Okay. v2 v5 and v8. Now I want to save my file, df file, data file I save. So df dot save. Set df workbooks. Mm, Set df is the workbooks. It has workflow. Now df dot save. Okay. Not a workbooks, right here workbook only for one workbook. Okay. Df the save, and also df dot close equal to true. Okay. And give the msg box uh, data have saved. Okay. This is the project. So here is apply the workbook worksheet. You can also define that type of the workbook worksheets and range data type. And then you set your data type and you have write the code, and no need to write the long life the code. Just simply code we have defined here. Now we have applied the buttons and select the assign the button, and right here Puja Mohan Puja Patna, and amount is the 500. Just click the button, open data as a save. Okay, you have go to your data file in data file, you can see here your data will be stored. Okay. So you have write the one line also here, application dot display screen updating equal to false. Okay. So your screen is not moved. When you write here, home city is the Patna and amount is the 1000, and when you click the button, you can see your screen is not moving. Okay. Let us say every process in the backend. So this code we have make the one form. So form can be save the data one sheet, another sheet one by one. Okay. I have saved this file and sent to you. You have tried to save. Okay. Yeah. No, this code we have used. This code we have used the last time we have discussed one sheet to another sheet, and this is the one file to another file. Okay. Last time we have not using any type of the data types, so we have need to type the long code, just like workbook dot worksheet like that. So we have defined here data types, so we have simplified it. Okay. Right. Yeah. So